To display a count of the number of items in each of your map layers, right-click on the description box here and select Column Chooser. This will allow you to customize your layer control box by adding certain columns. Scroll to the bottom and click and drag the visible items to your description box. You can then close the customization box, and you'll see here that you now have a count of the number of items for each of your map layers. This works for your layers as well as your map themes. If we collapse the customers layer, for example, we can see our sales territory theme here with a count of the number of customers in each territory. If we change this theme, for example, to route day, we'll see again here a count of the number of customers by day. To remove the visible items count, you can simply drag and drop it away from your layer control.